Hey, have you ever found yourself losing motivation on your keto journey? Cravings hit, life gets busy, and suddenly you're wondering, why did I even start this in the first place? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But today I want to share 3 powerful reasons why reflecting on your why can be the best secret to staying consistent, committed, and confident on keto, especially when things get tough. Point number 1, reconnect with your original motivation. When you first decided to start the ketogenic lifestyle, there was something deep inside that pushed you. Maybe it was weight loss, health scares, low energy, or just wanting to feel like you again. Write it down. Speak it out loud. Revisit it often, because when you reconnect with that personal why, it acts like a mental anchor. It keeps you from drifting when temptations or stress come your way. Point number 2, celebrate the wins along the way. Too many people only focus on the end goal, but your journey is made up of victories that happen right now. Did you sleep better last night? Did your pants feel looser? Did you say no to something that used to derail you? That's progress. And each of those wins is proof that your why is working. Recognize them, celebrate them. Let them remind you of how far you've already come. Point number 3, let your why evolve. Here's a secret. Your why can grow as you grow. What started as wanting to lose 20 pounds might evolve into preventing diabetes, having more energy for your kids and spouse, or simply aging with strength and clarity. It's okay to redefine that reason. The stronger and more meaningful it becomes, the more likely you are to stick with it for the long haul. So if you're feeling off track, don't beat yourself up. Go back to your why. Reflect, realign, reignite that fire. And if you found this message helpful to you, give it a like, subscribe for more keto mindset videos, and drop a comment below. What's your keto why? See you in the next video.